Knowing that you are building your website, you might want to share a link for a certain page on your website. You can directly from here click on this icon and share the pathway link that you have. You copy the link and send it to others. There is also an option to collaborate with others on the same website. You could have 2 or 3 or 4 people working on the website at the same time. So you click on this icon and then you invite people to work with you. For example, my sister. It will send them an email to collaborate with you. You could also choose that they only see the website and not edit it. And that's very important. You can also get a link, so you can change the link over here and get a link for the drafts, anyone with the link, and as an editor, so you could copy the link too. So these are options that are very important that you can use when you click done.